Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tab Lab here, and today I'm going to show you how to look up what NFTs, celebrities, famous people, influencers are buying. There's also a couple tricks that I'm going to include to make sure you don't get wrecked when you look up this information. So usually this will be like on Twitter or Instagram, you'll see a celebrity or an influencer or whatever tweeting about their newest NFT. They might have an NFT profile picture. So I'm going to show you how to research what NFTs they are buying. First of all, you want to come to OpenSea.io. If it is like a famous person, you can search up here in the search bar. Like I'll search for Gary Vee. There it is. We can go to Gary Vee's profile just like that. But right away, be careful when you come here because all of these are just scams that other people send to his wallet. Not all of them, but like 99% of them are just scams to try and trick people into buying whatever they send over here. So you got to go into the activity to see what they actually are buying and selling. But let's say you try searching for the person, you can't find them, but they do have like their little NFT here. You got to know what NFT it is, of course, but that should be pretty easy to find out because usually they're tweeting about it. So this is going to be Lazy Lions. Let's look this up real quick. So we can search in the collection here. Lazy Lions. We know this guy has a pirate hat, arrows, sad face. So here's the collection. Now we can come in here. We can go to like headgear. Let's look for the pirate hat. We can go to mouth. Sad. That narrows it down quite a bit to 7 items. There's our guy right there. We can click on him and we can see that Slip and Move owns this. That's the person right there. Then we could go to their profile that way. So that's how you could find someone through seeing what NFT they own on Twitter or Instagram or wherever their profile picture is an NFT. So let's close that. Next, we want to research and see like what NFTs they're buying and selling. So we want to just come to activity here. And then a lot of these are just scams and they're like minting straight to Gary's wallet or sending to Gary's wallet. So you don't want to mess with any of those scary stuff. Stay away. You want to click on sales. So now we can see like the actual buys and sells that Gary is executing from his wallet. So we can see he bought a crypto skull for 100 ETH, $241,000. That was 9 days ago. And then we could click here, open that up, and like go look at this collection, see what it is. So these are pretty OG NFT, I think. Go to all time. See, this has been around. This has been around since 2019, I think, when OpenSea started, but I think it's been around longer than that. Maybe like 2017 this came out. Then we can see he bought a doodle. He bought a CryptoPunk a month ago for 119 ETH, 287K. You can also click on these and just open them up, see them in more detail. So we got a 3D glasses CryptoPunk. One of the cooler traits, I think. So yeah, it'll give all of the information here, like who's previously owned it and stuff. You can go to the properties and see the properties for this CryptoPunk. You can see it looks like he bought a bunch of stoner cats. And you know, not all of this stuff will be successful. I was looking on here earlier, and there's some stuff that influencers bought that never took off, or it fell off quite a bit. And you got to be careful. You can't just buy what they buy. So we can see he was buying a lot of these Ava stars, some for like 0.2 ETH. And if we click on this now, you can see that the floor is now 0.14. So all of those are currently at a loss right now, unless he was buying like really rare variants or something like that. See if we can see anything else crazy on here real quick. A couple more CryptoPunks, one at 28 ETH and one at 1600 ETH, $3.8 million. So let's go ahead and open up this CryptoPunk. We'll end it with this one. We got the ape, which there's only 24 of 10,000 that are apes. We can see the sale history here. It's like Pranksy bought it for 400 ETH, sold it for 750. And then the person they sold it to sold it for 1600 ETH to Gary Vee. You can look at the properties, 2 attributes, knitted cap, small shades. and the ape, which is 0.24%. I love it. So yeah, there's how you can do some research, find a person or find someone through an NFT that they own, and then kind of look into what NFTs they're buying and their data. Hope you guys found this interesting. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.